In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a magazine on Canva. Let us utilize our search bar again and search for magazine. So we'll just be using the size, I like this pink one. Okay, this will be our template. Customize that template. And there you already have your inspiration. So this is how the second page of this magazine will look like. So let's add page and let's add the elements now. So this will be our shape. I like it gradient too. To click on the color you'd like to edit and then gradient here and choose whichever you like. I'll be duplicating this, so I'll click on this element and click on the button here right next to comment and delete button here. And now I was able to duplicate it. Okay, just dragging on the sides to occupy the space there. And now let's click on my uploads folder to add some stuff, some pictures. Control G. Click on this picture and let's click background remover. Layer, send to back. I'm not sure how this would look like. Really don't have any kind of design in mind. So yes, I'm improvising. Now let's add some texts. And maybe we can use this Ctrl G. Let's try making the font size small and adding other details by just clicking on the elements and putting other stuff there. That's about it. That's how you can make a magazine on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.